ready.
On 5.
Wait. No. We're going on 5. Ready?
Yes.
We're going on 5. Ready? 1, 2.
Freeze! How's that California water?
We need to have more ice challenges more often. This is stupid that we don't.
I need not to stand so close next time.
Oh, you got soaked too.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Christy, now that you've done the ice challenge, how do you feel?
Awful. I feel like my heart's gonna fall out of my chest.
You poor thing.
Don't forget the ice challenge. Oh, we haven't, honey. We have.
Oh, Lee couldn't wait.
I just don't know how to count.
Oh, I don't want you. Oh, yeah.